So let us now sum up the two-match Caribbean tour by the Reggae Boys and Coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore. 1 win, 1 draw, 7 goals for and 3 against, with a goal difference of +4. I mean, under normal circumstances, Jamaica should be beating up Little Grenada and Barbados every day of the week and twice on Sundays. But these are rebuilding circumstances where Whitmore is basically using this cluster of games against these little Caribbean teams to expose and develop young local-based players. And in giving credit where credit is due, the JFF has been finding these games quick, fast, and frequently. And having seen most of these games, while the effort and the commitment are there, the level of technical play, the intensity, the pace, and the fitness of the local players are not at the level where they can compete with the best in CONCACAF. So the reinforcements from the MLS and the USL, and even from England and the rest of Europe, will eventually have to dominate the team when the real serious business starts. The real hope is that this run of games will not be an exercise in futility, and that Whitmore will identify and earmark some players out of this unit who will be ready to step up to the plate and be a part of the squad even when the overseas-based players arrive. But overall, all things considered, for this Caribbean tour, on a scale of 1 to 10, me give Tapper and the Reggae Boys 6.5 out of 10.